Hello, I'm Susan, owner of the Tidy Maids. Come with me and let's see what makes a Tidy Maid Wake County's top cleaning service. Our team of 2 generally arrive and start to clean top to bottom, left to right, and out the front door. The Tidy Maids are a small, local company. We're not part of a big franchise. We all live, work, and shop right here. Since we have no distant corporate center to pay, all the money stays right here in your neighborhood. We don't require you sign any contract or prepay. Your monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly cleanings are all set up, and you will get a series of text messages as reminders. Just pay it when the clean is complete. The Tidy Maids are bonded, licensed, and insured, and this includes workers' comp. This means you can sit back and relax. We've got you covered. The other items we have covered are the equipment and cleaning products. We bring our own. No need to use yours. Leave the cleaning to us. However, if you have a special type of brass cleaner you would like us to use, just leave it on the counter and we'll be happy to customize your clean. We even remember the little things that you might not have even noticed. We can also add the interior of the windows, oven, and refrigerator for a nominal cost. This is especially popular for customers who are moving in, out, or just getting ready for a special occasion. Our customers love our consistency. We strive to arrive within the same window with the same people on the same day. And we leave your home with a quality clean that is second to none. And that's why we do it. We love to clean and derive a great deal of satisfaction by seeing your home look its best. There are few things that will make you feel as good as arriving home to a clean home, and we feel honored that you have chosen us. Your home is one of your greatest assets, and you want to maintain it so it can hold its value, just like getting your oil changed. So let our professional house cleaning technicians come to your home and clean to our rigorous standards. The difference is amazing. Then you can relax and enjoy your sparkling home, where you can invest more time and money with your family and friends, doing the things you like. We look forward to hearing from you.